With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
It is a multiple correct option type question, and these statements are related to refraction through prism. So we have to identify which option is or are correct. Okay, so let's go through from first statement. And according to first statement, for every angle of deviation there are two angle of incidence. Okay, so if we draw a relation between deviation angle and incidence angle, okay, so we put deviation angle in the y-axis and angle of incident in x-axis, so we will find that kind of a graph. Okay, so for every value of deviation we will get angle of incident, but for minimum deviation, okay, that is the angle of delta minimum. Okay, that is the angle of I. So for delta minimum we will get only one angle of incidence, so it is not for every deviation. Okay, on for other deviation, that is not for delta minimum, we will get two value of angle of incident, like that I1 and I2 both are gives same deviation angle, but for delta minimum the deviation angle of incidence is only one value, so option 1 is not correct. Now select read option B. So according to that, the light traveling through isosceles prism is necessarily parallel to the base when prism is set for minimum deviation. Okay, so for the minimum deviation, as we know that R1 is equal to R2 and that is equal to A by 2. Okay, so that is a symmetric condition in which it is necessary condition that that ray should be parallel to base. Okay, that is the condition, so statement B is correct. Okay, now we read option C. There are two angle of incident for maximum deviation, so we will get maximum deviation when angle of incidence is 90, means that is the case if that is the prism, and angle of incident is 90, means ray is parallel to that surface. Okay, that is the angle of incidence. Okay, so in that condition we will find delta maximum, and another condition is when R2 is at 90 degree. For that angle, if angle of incident is C, in that condition reflected it will be parallel to that surface. Okay, that is the 90. Okay, in that condition also we will get delta maximum. So there are two conditions. Okay, when angle of incidence is equal to 90. Okay, and another thing that R2 is equal to C. Okay, means emergence angle E is equal to 90. In two cases we will find delta maximum, so statement C is also correct. Okay, now go through from option D. Angle of minimum deviation will be increased if refractive index of prism is increased, keeping the outside medium unchanged. Okay, so as we know that the deviation angle for the prism is delta is equal to A mu minus 1. So if mu is constant, okay, and we increasing the value of A, the deviation angle will also increase. Okay, so the option D is also correct. Okay, so option B, C and D are correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.